Unlock the power of reaching over 50 active contacts every month with Messagebird, completely free. Let's dive straight into how you can maximize your free monthly contact allowance on Messagebird first. Log into your Messagebird account, navigate to the Campaigns section, and click on Create New Campaign. For this tutorial, we'll focus on SMS. As it's a core offering with the free tier when setting up your campaign, you'll notice options to select your recipient list crucially. Ensure you're targeting contacts that fall within your free monthly allowance. Messagebird often provides designated lists or allows you to segment accordingly. This is where smart organization saves you money. The real magic lies in smart campaign design instead of blasting generic messages. Segment your audience. Think about who you're trying to reach. Are they existing customers, leads, event attendees? Tailor your message to each segment. A personalized message dramatically increases engagement and makes each contact count. When crafting your message, keep it concise and action-oriented. Use personalization tokens like the recipient's first name to make it feel more individual. For example, "Hi Sarah, here's a special discount just for you." Include a clear call to action, whether it's visiting a website, responding with a keyword, or making a purchase. Timing is everything. Schedule your messages to go out when your audience is most likely to engage. Avoid peak times where your message might get lost. Experiment with different send times and analyze your results to find the sweet spot for your specific audience. This strategic approach ensures your valuable free contacts are used effectively. By intelligently segmenting your audience, personalizing your messaging, and strategically timing your campaigns, you can effectively connect with over 50 active contacts monthly on Messagebird. All without spending a dime. Start implementing these strategies today and amplify your reach.